Nashville. Woo! Woo! Nashville, Tennessee. This is my first time on a scooter that is powered by electricity. And Josh is doing this with one hand. He is crazy.
Whoa! Well,
man, we out here in Nashville, Tennessee, scootering it up. Scooter life in Germantown, I believe. Germantown, Nashville, Tennessee. It's old school. Bricks on the street. I like the whole vibe down here, man. You can taste the ghost, though. It's definitely haunted down here.
oh, hey.
Definitely haunted down here. Yeah. Look at that, man. You can't tell me. You got the lantern burning. That's all ghosts right there.
Midnight oil right there, man.
They burning the midnight oil. That's where they came from, huh? Burning the midnight oil.
I don't know. It seemed fitting, so I went with it. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It makes sense. All right, I'm about to ride off into the sunset.
That was fun. A lot more fun than I thought I'd have at 35 on a scooter. But it was pretty much funner. I like it a lot. I like it. My hands are freezing though. But I'm gonna stick them into some biscuits. Have your way on.
I'll go last on the ticket. I don't know about that.
Oh, yeah, you just bugging up. Is mac and cheese?
Cheesy grits.
You don't want that?
Close.
No, I don't. My grits, butter and sugar.
Oh, I'm sick of it.
Sick of you, man.
He pointed at you.
I'm sick of it.
There's the culprit.
Missing out on some good grits.
Apples last night. Remember Tom, we had apples last night, didn't we?
Those apples are good, man. Those apples. They work good. You taste them?
Yeah.
I was just full by the time.
You was full the whole time.
Tone, I ate my food. I didn't doughboy.
Doughboy is trash.
Oh boy, it is. The epitome
What
of
did Doughboy
trash.
do?
Said you're the epitome of trash.
Food tip.
I ate my whole life yesterday. You ain't said nothing about that.
That was just a tail.
You try to
left a whole half of the body on there.
You try to eat the under the roof. under the thing.
Don't go under the roof of a lobster. It ain't.
Nope.
I've never been a fan. I've never been.
Even when you ate me?
Huh?
Even when you ate me?
So you gonna get some of these potatoes, Tom.
I never liked how closely related they are to
Corn pudding, okay. I messed with
I didn't want to say it. You know what I mean?
You look like you was choosing your words wisely.
Yeah, I didn't want to, bust up the flow. It's a family environment.
corn pudding.
Heading to our office. We're having a writing sessions with Miles Gross. We're working on a TV show idea. And we're punching it up today. Melissa's been a part of the creative process from the beginning. She's very creative. Don't let her tell you otherwise. And yeah, we're gonna do our best. We got a lot of crap to do today because we're heading out of town. This should be our Thanksgiving vlog.
Yes.
So we're gonna do. How are we gonna do this, week to week, or just till we have enough footage?
I'm not going yet. I'm going to do it until I have enough footage.
Okay, so this is the prep for Thanksgiving.
It'll be before Christmas, though, because I think I want that one to be standalone since we'll be in Japan.
Okay, so here's the writing session we're beginning. This is my wife, Melissa. You know her. This is Miles.
You don't know me.
You don't know Miles. You can't zoom in on this either.
Nope. Try to do that.
Miles, how you?
That's what I'm saying. I want to see what it looks like.
We're gonna have to. We'll see.
Because I'm kind of like, this is a whole risk doing this.
It has this little tracker on it, which makes it like smooth. But anyway, so this is our third meeting, fourth meeting?
Maybe third meeting.
Third meeting at the office for sure. Fourth meeting if you include the one with Stan. So we're getting ready to crack out this thing. Melissa's very creative. Don't let her tell you that she's not. She's just learning to trust herself. And I can't wait for her moment where she learns she's Spider-Man and she can trust her powers and jump off the thing like Miles Morales.
So we're headed to the airport for Thanksgiving. And all of those red lights, there's traffic headed to the airport. And we are how far from the airport?
Literally, the airport is 2 minutes. It's showing 18 minutes.
LA. That, my friends, is LA. And mind you, we're leaving a week ahead of time.
And The week of Thanksgiving, Tuesday.
Madness. So it is, we're still trying to get to the airport. The traffic is so bad that we literally got out the car and we're walking. We were in the car for about an hour and 15 minutes or so. We're probably a quarter of a mile away from the airport. And yeah, so that's our lot in life. I should turn this around so you guys can see what's going on. All of this.
This is stupid.
All of these cars.
Every year, it's worse.
Oh, what is LA without a car honk? So we're still walking, but I wanted to show you guys all of the traffic. We're a little bit further. Actually, this walk wasn't terribly bad, but look at all that. It's crazy, right? How do you feel about it, Joe?
I'm cold.
Are you?
I wanted to stay in the car.
I know, I think we all did, but we weren't going to make it if we did. Oh, is that the cell phone waiting lot? Fayetteville, North Carolina. Let's go.
Okay, so there's one werewolf in this.
Oh, okay. Really?
Alright, so there's one werewolf in this game.
Yeah.
Everybody go to sleep now. Werewolf, go to sleep. Seer, open your eyes. Who do you think is a werewolf? Oh, wait. Werewolf, kill someone.
What a rude way to say it. So I was in the park, right?
No,
I saw
you-
my mom, right? So her arm, and she needed help carrying something. Her arm, she got sore, so I had help her lift some boxes inside because she was packing up her.
That was elaborate.
So, vote. Who thinks it's Nehemiah?
He was begging.
It was elaborate.
He just wanted to help his mom.
Oh.
You're killing all the babies.
They killing all the babies.
Everybody go to sleep.
Just got to Atlanta, and Kevin is playing old school champs.
You need to give it up. Had about enough. It's not hard to see the boy is mine. Seem to be confused.
Right. Then keep
Confused.
Keep left to merge onto I-75 south toward Macon.
Stop telling me where to go. I'm trying to sing.
Hello.
These grapes are great.
Dad and his wife just bought a new house, so we're looking at the model homes in the area. This house with fully upgraded. I asked the guy to give me fully upgrade, no holds barred, give me all the upgrades available, and he said it's $550,000. This house is $1.5 million in LA easily, 4,000 square feet, 6,000 square feet with a finished basement. Look at this master bedroom.
Right when you walk up,
I know, I actually don't like that.
don't remove it for you.
This is a big
This
master.
is what I want, Liz. I want a place in my master bedroom that I can sit. That ain't at my bed. I can have me a little desk.
Yeah, this is nice.
I could be, look at me, I'm editing. I'm taking emails. See? With my window.
Come look at the, the South loves that good finished basement.
I ain't seen no basement.
And this is second to none.
Shoot. Are you kidding me? With a built-in bar?
Yep.
What'd you call this?
Kitchenette.
Dang, this is a basement? This is a whole nother room?
Right.
See, now they done gave me
That's
what I want.
what I said too.
Gave me what I
As
want.
soon as we walked over here, I was like, hold on.
They done gave me what I want. Oh, man. Liz, you know how I feel about it.
I want one of these.
Movie night for the family.
I know.
Projector screen for the family.
How you do that circle?
Yes.
Man.
What's your seat numbers? A and B?
Liz.
2 and 3, player. 2 and 3. Or 4 and 5. What did he say?
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
No,
Liz, come on, man.
So this is the last leg of our Thanksgiving tour. We are at Jason and Tammy's mansion.
8,000 square feet.
8,000 square feet, finished basement.
It's the number 9 hole.
That video is hilarious.
All these Christians watching this stolen movie. We're about to say grace over there Thanksgiving. God will be like, oh, y'all keep that same energy when y'all still. Don't say no grace when y'all stolen movies.
You're gonna bless dinner just like you bless the cup.
Christians be watching stolen movies. I'm gonna wear
Melissa, and amen.
Amen. I was about to say this is paid for.
Whatever comes with it, we pay for it.
It's paid.
No, the original people.
I paid the bootleg man.
Exactly. No. No. They didn't steal it. Whoever stole it, stole it. That ain't got nothing.
I supported that man.
That's, as a matter of fact, it's Black Friday. Small Business Saturday.
Right.
That's this.
Stolen Christian Sunday.
That doesn't have the same.
Support that man's endeavor to be an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
I didn't steal nothing from nobody. I don't know Gemini man or nobody else.
We just know the man, and his name is Jesus.
From Galilee. Hey. Jesus died on the cross so we can watch stolen movies and graves. Why would he die on the cross so we can watch stolen movies? Gemini man is covered in the blood. Huh? Jesus is the gem, man. The ruby. The rose of Sharon. The stone that the builders have rejected has now become the chief corner. Come on, somebody. Gemini man of God, if you ask me.
The Gemini man of God.
He doesn't send your past to your future. And send your future to your past. Meeting up and meeting in my bedroom.
Mother Frederick, not really.
Okay, so we are inside the venue. There's a Joshy in his habitat. He's taking a picture. Bree has done her good decoration. Oh my. All the way down to the menu. The decoration is very festive. Now, y'all know if we doing this for plus one, you know what the conference gonna look like. You feel me? It's finna be filthy. Let's go over to the dessert station. The one thing that I made sure we had. Melissa planned this pretty much by herself. Mini sweet potato pies, but no pumpkin. I'll be speaking to the planner about that. Banana pudding. So we're still, I believe these might be the actors for the dinner party. And yeah, so super cool, huh?
Okay, so we just landed in Puerto Rico. We are here with Glow Graphics, and she has her welcome to Puerto Rico, Sisterhood Puerto Rico C, Puerto Rico 19. I'm so excited. And we have a sign. Y'all, we out here being official. Don't be surprised when you see the sign at the Love Hour conference, okay? So we just arrived to the hotel, and it is a beachfront property. So we are literally right outside the hotel, and the beach is there. And it's just absolutely beautiful. I love the sound of waves crashing. It's actually one of my favorite sounds. So pretty. Okay, so we just officially met Glow in person, which is crazy to believe because she'll be speaking at our conference. We're speaking at hers.
Internet friends.
I know, totally internet friends. And she just dropped off a goodie bag for us. I'm super excited.
Oh, you know what? This is literally what we need to take this out of here and edit it.
Yes.
This is the most thoughtful gift
It is.
ever.
This is what entrepreneurs, bloggers give each
We
other.
have not edited this from Thanksgiving because we didn't have the adapter.
Yeah.
That meaning to go to bed.
The plug.
Okay. Hold up.
Put my camera to shame.
You did not give us a GoPro?
That's amazing.
A GoPro Hero 8? Okay, this?
That's a real gift.
Hold on. Our own rum?
Wait, is that my name on there? Hold on a second. Is that my name?
Who are you?
Is that my name?
Who are you? This is next level.
I'm appreciative of y'all. I really am.
This is the best gift bag I've
ever received. Anything personalized, like I'm already here for.
A notebook.
That's my book.
Oh,
Your book. This ain't a notebook. This is your book.
Glow does everything. Don't you love when you meet people and they're exactly who you want them to
We
be?
need you to tell us where to go in Puerto Rico.
So we just arrived to the sisterhood at the casino in Puerto Rico. We got the sign by Kev. Live music. Hello, how are you? Thank you. You look so beautiful. Nice to meet you. Don't drop it. Joe, move. Just move, Joe. This is Angry Birds right now.
I never asked for it.
That's because you have the food, Kev. That's why I hit it.
Oh my God. This is way more than I thought. Go out of here. Who were on you, Joe?
Kev, because you have the food.
Joe, you set me up.
That's why you have to drop the food in there.
It's gonna be too much. I'm sweating.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Kev. Oh my God. Kev, he's following. They're following you.
Oh my god. They're like zombies. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Look at us.
No landing. No landing.
Joe, remember you?
No landing on me.
Oh my God.
There.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go over there. Do all of them. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hold on, Kev. Hold on.
I can't do it. I feel like they're biting me. I can't do it. They were biting me. I can't do.
Wait.
I feel like they were biting. It was like they were pecking down. It was terrible. I just dropped it. I freaked out, Joe.
Where did they go?